everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to Vestjysk Bank account online. So watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To log in and access your Vestjysk online banking account, go and open up a web browser first. In the URL box, type in the URL for Vestjysk by typing in www.vestjyskbank.dk and press enter on your keyboard. Soon after you do that, you'll end up on the official web page for Vestjysk. Now, go to the top right hand corner from the main home page and click on the sign in button and select online banking option. You can choose to sign in to online banking privately or professionally. Select any one option and give it a click. Now, click on the login button with MIT ID and then you need to enter your user ID in the first text box appearing in the pop-up. Make sure to type in your ID correct and then click the continue button. On the next page, it'll ask you for your password. Type in your password correct as well. If you have lost your password, then you'll need to click on the option where it says lost password or use your ID and follow the instructions till the end. Finally, after filling in your details, you can easily log in and access your Vestjysk online banking account. Pretty easy, isn't it? I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.